Hello friends, welcome to the new tutorial of Magento 2. So here we are going to learn a new feature in Magento 2 that is called the voice search by products. Okay, so can you see that? Here we are this one. Okay, so if I'm going to this one, if I want to search anything, so I click on this mic icon and whatever I want to search, I can search. So let's see how it gonna be work. Bags. This is wrong. Bags. Okay, you can see that the bags listing are done. So I will add one another messenger bag, right? Messenger bag. You can see only messenger bags are coming. Okay, so gym tank is there, so we will going to search gym tank. So you can see that the gym tank products are there. So it's very cool, cool feature of Magento 2. Like you can search with the help of the voice. Okay, so those who want this video to make it, like I would give you the source code with the introduction, like how we are going to build such kind of thing in Magento 2. So just write me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and comment. Okay, so those who want me to give you the full demo of like how we are going to implement such kind of things in Magento 2, so just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.